Hi guys, and welcome to Riddy's Beauty. I never actually welcome you guys. I really should, because I guarantee nobody knows how to pronounce my actual name. My name is pronounced as Riddy, and I'm probably saying it in the most British way ever because I'm sure there's a lot more pronunciation to my name. So I'm actually going to be doing... Jesus. I'm not eating some bites right now, but literally they always get stuck in my throat. Check the eyelash. You know when you've just got one eyelash? The corner, like there's always one that just literally digs right in. Why do I even wear these? As long as my lashes stay on, that's all that matters, right? So I'm actually going to be doing a highlighter review today, and it makes me so happy because highlighters make me really happy. And I've already got like a base highlighter on, so you can see like there's some sort of glow going on. But this is like, I have layers to highlighters, and like I build them up on different colours so then I can have an all-round glow. I just want to glow all the time. Is that so bad? Like, that's what I live for, so I gotta have layers and layers of highlighters. But for my final layer, I'm actually testing out the Dull Light highlighter. I think I've got it in Shine Bright. Yes, I have. So I've already taken out the bubble wrap and stuff because I just couldn't wait, and I just had to open it and see what it looks like. So it's got a little mirror in it and everything. So I'll swatch it for you guys. They do have a different one that's a bit lighter, but I felt like for my skin colour it just wouldn't work. Don't know how I feel. Hold on. Can you see it? I can't see it on my hand. It's kind of blending into my skin tone. So maybe I should have got the lighter one because maybe this is for darker skin tones. Let's try it out anyway because I feel like, who knows, I might like this one. It's got like a golden colour. I feel like the other one was a bit more like a whitish yellow, and I felt like this was more like I just said, a golden colour. Something wrong with me today. First of all, I'm going to start by spraying my face, and I always do this before highlighter, like the main one. The base one I'm alright, I can do it however, but the main one, yeah, I need it. To spray my face. Okay, let's get this in the right place. Winning! Usually I get it everywhere. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it. I'll use the mirror. And just dab it on. Ooh la 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 la. Whoa, okay, maybe I took too much. Who's kidding? There's never too much. This is amazing. Do you know, I don't know what it is with us girls, like highlighter, like you feel it inside. When you start putting it on, you can feel like that excitement and you just get all giddy. Like no one makes me as giddy as highlighter. Whoa, okay, maybe I put too much on, but who cares? I like it. Okay, maybe it is good for my skin tone then in the end. That's actually a really good colour for my skin. And it doesn't look like, you know how you get some highlighters that look very powdery and chalky? When I did swatch it, I did feel like, oh my god, no, it's going to look like that. But on the skin, it looks very soft. I don't want to try it without spraying my face because I've got textured skin, and that's just a big mistake for me to do. I prefer to kind of put highlighter on once I sprayed my face so it's smooth and soft, and oh my god, like you can literally see this everywhere I move. This is what you want from a highlighter. Look at that side. That's obviously the base. I could never leave the house like this, that's not enough. Hell no. But this, oh yeah, oh yeah. I am loving this. Listen, this is to die for. Right, I'm going to put it on the rest of my face because I've powdered quite heavy today. I love that setting spray. It just melts into my skin then. Okay. Actually, I'll do it with my finger. I always mess it up with a brush. Oh my god, I love that. It's crazy because it's like... Wait, hold on. Can't let this dry. It's crazy because it's like very bright. Oh, Shine Bright. That's a great name actually. Ooh. Well, it's really bright, but it doesn't like not blend, if that makes sense. Like that, you can see it, it's bright, but in real life, like it doesn't look like just a dot, if that makes sense, because it's like diffused around the edges really well, and I love that because you're just making my job easier, not looking like such a fake bitch. I love it. Oh my god. Okay, right, I'm not gonna lie. This is something you should pay for. I think I paid like £10.50 for it. I got it from Beauty Bay. I'm so itchy, I don't know what's wrong with me, I just keep itching. Oh. But I bought it £10.50 from Beauty Bay, and I think I got it during the sale. There was like a 30% off sale thing, and honestly, like I spent so much more on highlighters and I'm never happy with them. And it seems like the cheapest highlighters that I bought, like my £3 ones, they've always been the best, but I'm not gonna lie, this is up there with them. Like, I like that glow, I don't like subtle glows. I'm happy. Like, legit, you can ask my boyfriend, I don't smile this much. But I smile this much when I wear a highlighter. Okay, things got really weird really fast. I tried to be all like, not for me, it just doesn't work for me, I can't be serious. Honestly, worth a buy. I would not be lying because I'm so picky with highlighters. I hate the chalky shit. Let me bring you guys in actually really close so you can see what it looks like, because I have really textured skin and you can see my pores like 24/7. I think I've just accepted it now that it's not going to go away, so hey ho. But I found ways of obviously making my makeup not look so bad, and you know, putting highlighter on pores is like the worst thing you can do for pores, because especially if you have large pores, it just literally shines them. But like I've got a little bit on the textured area of my skin and I feel like it still looks really smooth. You're like super close to my face right now, but look, can you see? Oh my god, you know what, I keep seeing myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, who's that? Is that me? Is it? It is not picking up any texture whatsoever. Gosh. I said to myself I won't swear this whole video. And I just did. I'm trying to be a good girl. Like, I'm trying not to do that no more. And I realised when I talk too much in a video, I swear quite a bit. I'm just trying not to do that no more. So hopefully this video has helped you to figure out if you want to buy this highlight or not. I would say do it. Just do it. Do you know what? When you go clubbing, you need that because you can't see it in the dark otherwise, and I guarantee I'm going to be glowing in the dark right now, so this is what you need. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video if you would like more reviews, because I love reviewing things because I buy things all the time. Alright, well thank you for watching anyway. Bye!